What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and we're here, and we're gonna cook some steaks. Let me show you them. Here they are. They're pretty nice. This is my mom's. This is my mine, and we're gonna cook them on this thing.
Panini grill.
The panini grill. I'm gonna get mine seasoned. My mama's gonna record me.
You don't.
It's because
Usually I put a little bit more on it. Alright.
it's because I don't really know. It's just because I don't really know how to handle the shaking. Pause. Ooh.
Hold on.
Ooh. Nice. Oh. She's in hers. Why do you don't do steak mozzarella?
Because I don't like it as well.
Oh. Ooh. This one up. To the handle. Today's the week. I know this ain't the video, but hopefully this Friday I can get my piece on. First batch of fries are in. Now, how guys? Okay. What's up? Hold on. Pause. So guys, how get? They get them. All right, good. So guys, how's your day going? I'm not. I hope it's going good, and keep it going that way. Hope you have a nice week. It's literally Tuesday. You know, they're looking good.
Well,
They're looking.
just about done.
They're looking more like pork chop than anything. They got the fries, the brass, the McDonald's fries, or not McDonald's. Alrighty. Yeah. That one's mine, I think. Look. Well, I cut mine, and it's good and done. Here you go.
Can I have a fork and knife?
Basically just living off of water right now. I do dream about food at night. I haven't had any food since.
Is it yummy?
Huh?
Is it yummy?
I can't wait to drink like the biggest fountain drink there is.
Yay. Well, I can see why she'll like it because you mostly cooked hers, but well, it's a good. I guess a good cook, but it's a good video. Hopefully. All right. I'm gonna try mine now. A little piece of it. I'm gonna wait till the fries are done. Here it goes. That's actually pretty good. I cabbage. Well, I don't have this part, so it's kind of dry steak, no flavor. But that's good. And I'll try a fry when it's done and when they're not hot. Where I get all my steaks and whatever shenanigans, meats. Paul. It's from it's from Save a Lot and probably Walmart, but mostly Save a Lot because it's cheap. Not really cheap. It's like so. This was like $7, almost $7, but it wasn't. I didn't pay for it though. But normally I do pay for my stuff. So let's eat this fry. That's good. It's rally fry, so of course it's good. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and peace.